good afternoon. We are about to learn how to place the leads on a patient body or on a patient. Before then, we've already discussed how to operate the monitor by also connecting the leads, connecting the leads, that the ECG leads has been already connected to the monitor, and that's the plug is here. It has been connected. Now, before, these are electrodes, some also call it sticky dots, that are used to stick on the patient before you apply or you attach the leads. So we also have to know the exact position where those sticky dots or the electrode will be positioned. You first have to peel off. There's a rubber lining in front of the sticky dot or the electrode. You take it off, you peel it off. So the first areas, or one of the position or place, it says this is the clavicle, the collarbone. This is the clavicle. So mid clavicular, the middle of this bone is here. Mid clavicular, below the mid clavicular, is below the clavicle, but it's mid, the center of it. You place this in here. One. And on the right, so you come and place the second one also on the same position, just as the clavicle on the right. This is the clavicle, middle of the clavicle. There's a mid clavicular below it on the left. So that's the first one or the second one. Now, when we are done, okay, so the next one also is placed on, is it below or the left abdomen, or just below the diaphragm, but it should be on the rib here. These are the ribs. So these are the diaphragm is just a lining below the ribs. So this is the diaphragm. The diaphragm can be located here. So this is part of the rib. So the left, this is the right abdomen. So you stick it here.
Or left upper quadrant.
So here, then the next one also, it will be at the left abdomen, but it should also be on the ribs. This is the rib. You have a rib here, so you place it on the rib. Now we say there are 5. We are using 5 lead ECG. The next one is placed on the 4th intercostal space. The 4th intercostal space on the chest. Fortunately or unfortunately, he has hairs here. As usual, for you to get a grip, you have to shave off the hair to get able to, for the sticky dot to be able to what, get stick or be firm. So you place that one on the but when it's able to stick, you forget about the hair, it's able to work. Now, so the 4th intercostal space within the rib cage, the 4th space within the rib cage. Okay. Now, these are the leads. These are the leads. This is what we have in the ambulance. So how to fix this is what I'm going to talk about. When I'm done, I'll just give you another other leads, how it's also being placed. But for now, this is what we are going to use. Now, when we check on the leads, they've written R. That means this one is placed on the right arm. Some they write RA. So right arm. So you place it there. But when you are placing, you open it. You open. Just like Apex. You press and it opens, or it enlarges the space which the electrodes will be fixed. So you open and you fix. The next one is what? The first one was R, which is right arm. The next one also is L, left arm. That's it, L, left arm. So you place that one also there. Now you come to the abdomen. We have the left abdomen also is green, the F. Then you place it at the left abdomen. You have the black, which is the neutral. That one is at the right abdomen, but it still stick on the rib. Then the C is the chest, white one, so on the chest. Now, so when you are done, this is what you get on the screen. This is what we get on the screen. So you get both the heart rate and the respiration rate. So you can see the heart rate is 54 and the respiration rate is also 19. So that is the reading, and this is the cardiac reading, the diagram of the heart. So this is what you get. Now let me come back to make the placement a bit easier. You may, let me see the 4. You may find it difficult in terms of the colors. So to make it simple, with this specific model, red, gold, green, black star. Simple. It's red, gold, green, black star. You start the red with the right, where the strong arm is. Maybe some people might be left-handed anyway, but you start the red with the right. So right, that's the red, the yellow, the green, and the star. And the white is on the heart. The heart should be pure white. So if you have this acronym or mnemonic in your mind, it makes it easier placing these leads. So I say it again: red, gold, green, and black star, and your heart should be pure white. So if you have that acronym, other designs are, that's where we say a snow over grass, smoke over fire, then the chocolate. That one is where the white comes under the green, on top of the green, and the black comes on top of the red, and the brown is placed on the chest. But fortunately, ours is red, gold, green, and a star, which is black, and you have a pure heart, which is white. So this is the easiest way of placing the leads, and also to be able to get the cardiac reading on the monitor. You get your heart rate and the respiration rate. So you can see currently his heart rate is 58. It's 56 now. It's just not stable anyway, and the respiration is 20. And you can see the cardiac reading of the patient. Thank you.